Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Bryan Fagan, a lawyer here at the firm, and today we're going to dive into a topic that's been getting increasing amount of attention in recent years. How can cannabis use affect your parenting and custody rights in the state of Texas? But before we get started, I encourage you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe on our YouTube channel for more valuable information. Now let's jump right into this complex issue. As many of you may know, Texas maintains a conservative stance on cannabis use, distinguishing it from other states that have legalized recreational and medicinal use. In this video, we'll explore how cannabis can potentially impact your rights as a parent in Texas and why understanding the nuances of this law is crucial. To illustrate the real-life implications, let's introduce you to Jasmine. She's a loving mother with 2 children who, due to a medical condition, occasionally uses cannabis as prescribed by her doctor. Jasmine shares joint custody of her children with her ex-husband John, who does not use cannabis in any form. Jasmine takes her medical cannabis use seriously. She strictly adheres to her doctor's recommendations, never consumes it when her children are present, and securely stores it away from their reach. However, during a routine custody exchange, John notices the faint smell of cannabis on Jasmine's clothing. Now this is where things get complicated. In Texas, when it comes to custody arrangements, the best interest of the children are paramount. If John voices concerns about Jasmine's cannabis use, the court may be compelled to investigate further. During this investigation, the court considers several factors. Firstly, they examine the frequency and quantity of the cannabis use. Even when it's for medical reasons, excessive use could be viewed negatively in the eyes of the court. Secondly, they assess the impact on parenting abilities. If cannabis use impairs Jasmine's ability to care for her children or take care of her parenting responsibilities, it becomes a significant concern. Thirdly, they check for legal compliance. Jasmine must ensure she's strictly following the Texas laws regarding medical cannabis use, including possessing a valid prescription and adhering to any restrictions related to its use. Lastly, they require concrete evidence of harm. John would need to provide specific evidence that Jasmine's cannabis use has directly harmed or poses a potential risk to the children's well-being. In some cases, John may decide to report his concerns to Child Protective Services, which can initiate its own investigation. CPS will assess the safety of the children in Jasmine's care and may recommend actions as drug testing or parenting classes. So what should Jasmine do if she finds herself in this situation? If you or someone you know faces a similar scenario, it's imperative to consult with an attorney specializing in family law who's well versed in Texas cannabis laws. These legal experts can help you navigate the complexities of the legal system and provide guidance to protect your rights as parent. In conclusion, it is crucial to remember that while cannabis use for medical purposes is legal in Texas, it can still affect your parenting and custody rights, particularly if not managed responsibly. The best way to safeguard your rights and your children's well-being is to stay informed about the laws, use cannabis responsibly, and to seek legal counsel when necessary. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful or have questions, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe on our YouTube channel for more in-depth legal insights. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The law can be intricate, but with the right guidance, you can navigate it successfully to protect your rights and your family's future. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered, and stay safe. This is Bryan Fagan from the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, signing off.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.